Welcome to the channel. What if I told you it was a game-changing AI? It can predict your business needs, it can handle tasks automatically, and if you stick around, you're going to be absolutely amazed at how it's revolutionizing the world of business. Let's jump in. All right, what if you could have all of the AI tools you want in one place? And I mean literally every AI model in one place. You don't have to switch between different AI models. You don't have to have ChatGPT in one tab. You don't have to have tons of things, floating around. As you can see here, you can get everything that you need. You can get Bolt AI or coding. You can see Claude right here, ChatGPT, all of the big boys. And it's been revered. People at HelpKit use it, DICA, Liberty University. But what's it all about? So this is your all-in-one AI hub. So what do you want to do? Do you want to craft a perfect article? Do you want to do coding? Well, you say, I'm not a developer. It doesn't matter. You have the developer right here. Do you want to use Claude? Do you want to use Llama, OpenAI, XAI, Elon's company, Azure, Google Gemini? Do you need all of them in one place? Well, you can actually do that right here. And the best part is, if you have a Mac, you can go ahead and download this right here and get this running on your Mac. Well, why would you do that? Well, instead of having 3 or 4 or 50 tabs open and paying 3 or 4 subscriptions, you can just do everything here with AI. It has instant access to the best language models. So if one language model doesn't work, say with Claude or ChatGPT, you simply slip over to Gemini or something else. And as we know, the AI, everybody's talking about AI this, AI that, but you need all your AI tools in one place. And with here, you can get custom AI assistants. You can get all of the tools you need. It's fast, it's powerful, and you get the prompt library right here. And they have their FAQs for all the information. So what features do they have? Well, they have the powerful inline command where you can ask it anything. The intuitive chat UI, very, very cool. All the stuff you need, and the resources. If you need documentation, if you have questions, if you have any problems or anything, you can get that right here. Now, you have to download this, especially if you have a Mac, you can download it and then go ahead and install it. All you have to do is click here, download and install the platform, and you're good to go. That way you have all of these at your fingertips and don't have to worry about it. And they have reasonable pricing here. As you can see, they break it down into plans. If you had to do all of these different tools, it would cost you hundreds of dollars. But now you can just start by getting one license for $52 or a team license for $400 or different ones depending on how many devices that you want to use. So this is good for students, people who are studying, agencies, or people who just want to implement all the AI tools in one place. And that's why I really love Bolt AI. Get all the language models, get all the AI agents in one place, centralize it, and you can switch between your top favorite services all on your MacBook. So let me know what you think. What AI tools are you using and which ones do you like? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.